In the heart of East Africa, nestled between rolling hills and golden savannas, there was a small village called Karibu. In this village lived a young girl named Amani, whose name meant peace. Amani was known for her kindness and her dream of becoming a great potter like her late father. Amani's father had always told her, better an honest failure than a fake success. Truth is the strongest foundation for a good life. She didn't fully understand those words yet, but she carried them in her heart. One day, news spread across the village about a grand pottery competition. The winner would not only receive a large sum of money, but also gain the honor of displaying their work in the king's palace. Amani was excited but nervous. She had been practicing pottery for years, but her pots were simple and not as polished as those of her rival, Zuberi, who was known for his dazzling designs. While preparing for the competition, Amani faced challenges. Her clay cracked, and her designs didn't look as perfect as she wanted. One evening, she overheard two villagers whispering about Zuberi's secret. Amani was shocked. If Zuberi could cheat and win, why couldn't she? That night, she sat staring at her unfinished pots, tempted to take the easy way out. But then she remembered her father's words, better an honest failure than a fake success. She decided she would rather lose with integrity than win through deceit. On the day of the competition, the village square was filled with colorful pottery. Zuberi's pots gleamed under the sun, their perfection drawing admiration from the crowd. Amani's pots, though simple, told stories of the land, the hills, rivers, and animals that surrounded their village. When it was her turn to present, Amani spoke from the heart. Zuberi, on the other hand, boasted about the beauty of his work, hiding the truth about their origin. As the judges examined the pots, a curious child accidentally dropped one of Zuberi's. To everyone's surprise, the broken piece revealed a factory stamp underneath the paint. The crowd gasped. The chief judge turned to Zuberi and said, "You lied to us. Your success is fake, and it cannot be rewarded." Then, the judges admired Amani's pots and their raw, heartfelt beauty. Though they are not perfect, they are real, and they reflect honesty and dedication. This is true success, they said. Amani won the competition that day, not because her pots were flawless, but because they were genuine. The king admired her integrity and invited her to be the royal potter. As Amani worked in the palace, she often reminded herself and others, better an honest failure than a fake success. True greatness comes from truth and effort, not from shortcuts. Moral of the story: integrity and hard work may take time to bear fruit, but they lead to genuine success. Deceit may bring temporary glory, but it will crumble when faced with the truth.